Hello. So, this light here will not turn off. Which is causing quite the problem. So what are we going to do about it today? This light fitting to this cable here, I think there's a short down on it because the light fitting is connected up correctly, and so is the light switch, which I will show you. Chasing out this wall, not an option, but there is another way. Excuse the state of me, I've had that hole and it's given me bed hair. This is also a new light switch. And as you can see, it's wired up perfectly. Now if we take a look at the light fitting, this is also wired up correctly. And just to prove to you that it's not the light switch, I have the light switch disconnected. That light is still on. So I'm going to disconnect this switch wire and see if we have continuity on it, which we do, and I have no link on this. So I'm going to mega through this cable now and see what we get. And we've got it hard down. Let's find that light. There it is there. So these are my cables here, and I'm just going to untwist the earths because that was a good idea back in the day apparently. So this one here with the red sleeving on, that's the old switch wire. That gone, which leaves me with these two cables here which are permanently fed. One's a feed in and one's a feed out. This is a 3-plate wiring system. So what I'm going to do first of all is strip these back and start again. So anyway, here, this is my feed and my feed out, which I will put in Wago blocks. So that looks like that in a minute. Next, I'm going to run a new bit of cable. Oh, this is 2.5. I need to go and get some 1.5. So I've got my 1.5. One end of this is going to go back down to that light fitting. Now I've got way too much cable here. And the other end is going to go inside this junction box. So I will just strip that back a bit first. So this is now my new switch wire. So what I'm going to do is put this earth one into the earth connector block first of all, and that is the earths dealt with. And then what I'm installing today is another wireless receiver. This time it's not the brand Kinetic, it's a brand called Energy, and these are available at Rexall's. And what you have is 4 terminals like that, live in, live out, simple. So my two cores that are going to the light fitting are going to go in the live and neutral out. And then what I need is a couple of links. Just a blue and a brown. And they are going to go into the live and neutral in on the receiver, like so. And then these are going to go with the red and the black, brown with the red and blue with the black. Like so. And that will all just sit in there like that. Now I just need to go and wire up the light again. But before that, I'm just going to fit this box down here. So that now looks like that. Earth, live, neutral. Now I'm going to turn the power back on and pair up the switch and receiver. To pair up this switch with the receiver, all you have to do is hold down that button on the receiver till you get a red light constantly on, flashing, sorry. As you can see there, flashing, and then activate the switch. And that's it, paired up.